Ikaw na
Thank
ba?
you po.
Mga bata ni tatay yan, si Kier.
Hello po.
Hi, hello. Good afternoon.
Good morning, teachers and classmates. Today, I was given the opportunity po to interview a person who is well known in the field po of industrial skills. He's the owner po of one of the electrical service companies in the Philippines po, Kaiser's Electrical Services. He has received several awards related to his profession. It is my honor to introduce to all of you, Engineer Kier Malinaw. Hello po. Hello po,
Hi,
Sir.
hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Um, Good day po, and here are my questions po. Question number one po, what specific job do you do po?
Hi, hello. Gabi. By the way, I'm a registered electrical engineer. As of now, I am the founder of Kaiser Engineering Services. My job is to lead and manage engineering and construction projects from start to finish. This includes kasama dyan yung meeting with clients to understand their project requirements, preparing proposals, cost estimates, and technical plans, supervising the design and implementation of electrical, mechanical, uh, plumbing, fire protection, and construction works, coordinating with engineers, contractors, suppliers, and also with the client, ensuring that all projects follow safety standards, building codes, and quality requirements, monitoring project progress, timeline, and budget. In short, my role is to make sure every project is delivered safely, on time, within budget, and according to the client's expectations. So, yun.
Thank you, Sir Engineer Care po. Moving po on to my second question po. Engineer Care po, what skills are needed in your profession po?
With the skills needed, bali, we need to be effective on technical and professional skills. With technical skills, knowledge in electrical, mechanical, plumbing, fire protection, structural, and construction systems. Syempre, you need to ability to read and interpret plans and technical drawings, cost estimation and project uh, budgeting, understanding of Philippine building codes and safety standards. For example, DOLE, DNR, Philippine Electrical Code, and National Building Code. Uh, Management of professional skills, project management and planning, leadership and team coordination sa mga tao during construction, communication and client relations, problem solving and decision making. Attention to detail and documentation skills. Since I also deal with clients and contracts, business and negotiation skills are also very important.
Oh, thank you po, Engineer Care po. It's really nice to know po the skills needed po for your profession po. And one last question na lang po, Engineer Care po. Why is your work important po for us po?
My work is important. Actually, lahat naman ng work is important, but this job is important because it helps turns plan into actual, safe and functional structures that people use every day such as homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Siyempre, ang napaka number one na important para sa aming ginagawa is yung safe and magiging in reality yung plans na ginawa namin. For example, buildings are safe and compliant with government standards. Engineering systems operate efficiently and reliably. Clients get value of their investment. Workers or occupants are protected from hazards. In a bigger picture, engineering and construction contribute to community development, economic growth, and improving people's quality of life. So yun.
Oh, thank you po so much, Engineer Care po. You are truly po an inspiration to all of us because of your valuable contribution po to your field. So again, boss, Engineer Care po, thank you for being with us po and goodbye po. Thank you
Thank you
po.
so much, Gabby. Thank you.
Kier,
Bye.
sobrang thank you, Kier.
Pa-screenshot
God
lang
bless sa inyong business.
pa-screenshot lang din po for
Yan,
for
sige.
dito,
Sige,
for
sige.
marketing and documentation purposes po. Thank you, Gabi.
Super thank
Hello.
you, Kier.
Hello po.
Thank you po.